The objective of this video is to show you how to use the templates already placed in your system. To create a form, access the form builder and add the desired components. Once your form is complete, you may save it as a template. These templates are stored in the Form Templates menu, which contain a list of preloaded templates. You can search for a specific template by using the available filters. To use a template, simply click on the plus button to select it. The template will be added to the end of your form list in the Form Builder. From there, you can customize the template as needed by making any necessary modifications or additions to suit your requirements.